Yeah.
Apple, book, car, dog, house, island, street, ocean, river, star, forest, garden, tree, rain, mountain, kite, queen, actor, nurse, camera, guitar, heart, ghost, robot, planet, lion, zebra, zoo.
A book can take you on a journey where every word becomes a world.
Wow, this world is so full of wonder.
Every day is a new journey here, and every color tells a story. Airplane, stars, moon, planet, earth, camera, island, ocean, valley, river, mountains, village, yard, worker, uniform, van, map, zoo, city, building, lawyer, judge, painter, house. Every word is a brick to build a whole world. A journey through life, from a nest to the stars, through valleys and oceans, no matter how far. Connect all the pieces,